Hello students, welcome back to biology class. I hope you might have enjoyed your holidays. Today in this video, we are going to study about taxonomical aids. In chapter 1, the living world, already we have studied about the characteristic features of living organisms, binomial nomenclature, classification, hierarchical arrangement of taxonomic categories. Now today, the last topic of this lesson, that is taxonomical aids. We are going to study in detail about this taxonomical aids. Taxonomic studies of various species of plants, animals and other organisms are useful in agriculture, forestry, industry and in knowing about bioresources and also their diversity. So these taxonomical studies are useful in all these areas. And these taxonomical studies, it requires correct classification and identification of plants and animal species. And this identification, it requires intense laboratory and field work. And for this taxonomical studies, we need collection of actual specimens of plants and animal species. We need the collection of plants and animals because these are the prime source for taxonomical studies. So, for taxonomical studies are useful in all this area, and these taxonomical studies require classification and identification, and this identification, it requires intense laboratory and field work. And for taxonomical studies, we need collection of actual specimens of plants and animals. Biologists, they have established certain procedures and techniques to store and preserve the information as well as the specimens. So biologists, they store these specimens and the informations. For storing this specimen and informations, they follow some techniques and procedures. These techniques and procedures and information that are stored are taxonomical aids. So what are taxonomical aids? Taxonomical aids are techniques, procedures and stored information that are helpful in identification and classification of organisms. So, the procedures and techniques that are used for storing the collected species of plants and animals that are helpful for taxonomical studies, that is classification of organisms. There are so many taxonomical aids all over the world. Some examples are herbarium, botanical gardens, museum, zoological parks and keys. We will study all these taxonomical aids one by one. First, let us study about herbarium. Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens. They collect plant specimens, they dry them and then press them and they preserve them on sheets. Even you also do herbarium for your science project. So these herbarium sheets they also carry a label, and this label provides information about the date of collection of the specimen and the place of collection and the English name of the specimen and botanical name of the specimen and also the family to which this specimen is placed and also who collected the specimen, that is collector's name. All these are written in the label. This herbarium are quick referral system in taxonomical studies. Okay. Now, shall we move on to next taxonomical aid, that is botanical garden. What is botanical garden? it is a collection of living plants. They grow plants for reference. And these plants also have labels indicating botanical and scientific name and its family. Some botanical gardens are Botanical Garden at Kew in England, Indian Botanical Garden in Howrah, and National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. These are examples for botanical garden. Next, taxonomical aid is museum. We have museum in our school also. Museum is a place where preserved specimens of plants and animals are kept for further study and reference. It's a collection of preserved plants and animal specimens for study and reference. Some specimens are preserved in jars in preservative solution. Some specimens are preserved in dry state. Insects are collected, killed, and then they are pinned in insect boxes. Large animals like birds and mammals are stuffed and preserved. Museums have skeletons of animals also. In our school also we have human skeleton. Mostly biological museums are set up in educational institutes like schools and colleges. So next taxonomical aid is zoological park. Zoological parks are also taxonomical aids. They are also known as zoos. Children love visiting these parks. Zoological parks are places where wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care. All animals in a zoo are provided as far as possible the conditions similar to their natural habitats. And next taxonomical aid is key. Key is another taxonomical aid used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Similarities and dissimilarities. The keys are based on the contrasting characters, generally in a pair called couplet. So the keys are based on the contrasting characters. These contrasting characters are called couplet. These couplets represents the choice made between two opposite options. Two options are given and we have to accept one and then we will reject another one. And then each statement in this key is known as a lead. And then keys are analytical in nature and we analyze the specimen. So they are generally analytical in nature. Separate taxonomic keys are required for each taxonomic category such as family, genus and species for identification purposes. Flora, manuals, monographs and catalogs are also some other means of recording descriptions and they also help in identification. Flora contains the actual account of habitat and distribution of plants of a given area. They provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. And then these manuals are useful in providing information for identification of names of species found in an area. And then monographs, they contain information of any one taxon. So these flora, manuals, monographs and catalogs are also some other means of recording description. With this we are completing chapter 1, the living world. Your homework is read the book back exercises except question number 8. You write answers for all other questions in your biology notebook. Thank you, students.